I'm going to show you how I stay put together as a mom of two, and none of this requires a big budget. Hey babes, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. I'm going to be sharing all of my tips on how I stay put together as a mommy of two. If you're new here, I have two boys. My oldest is 4.5 and my youngest is almost 1.5 years. I just stopped nursing him. So I'm starting to feel like myself again. You know that Kylie Jenner audio? Anyways, I really wanted to make this video because I even have moms in person ask me how I always stay looking put together. So let's get right into it. I'm a yapper. I don't want to yap your heads off. So yeah, let's get right into it. I put all my tips on my phone. So if I'm looking at my phone, that is why I want to stay organized. Because like I just said, I'm a yapper. I'll yap your head off. This video will end up being like 3 hours long. The first tip I want to share is perfect your 15-20 minute makeup routine. Now some of you are probably thinking, girl, I don't even have 15 minutes, more like 5 or 10. You can still perfect a 5-minute makeup routine. I have my own 5-minute makeup routine. I do concealer, cream blush, some lip balm, and call it a day. That's all I do. Those are on the days where maybe I'm running behind, or I just don't have a lot of time, or maybe I just don't want to wear that much makeup. I don't want to put on a full face every single day, but I do still want to look put together. So as far as my 15-20 minute glam, I did this glam that I have right now in 20 minutes. Easy. I do this glam in the car. I have perfected this routine. I can do it super fast. And I always tell my makeup clients, practice your makeup before you shower, before you wash your face. That is the perfect opportunity to practice your makeup. You could be horrible at makeup. Just practice. If I'm gonna make more makeup tutorials, I definitely will do that. I have plans on making more in the future. I have plans on going to Dollar Tree and doing an updated Dollar Tree makeup routine and telling you what's worth it, what's not. I can do a drugstore. Whatever budget you have, I'm here to help you girls, because we all deserve to feel beautiful and look put together, kids or not. It doesn't have to be full glam. Let's be realistic here. We don't have time to do a full glam every day. I'm a full glam girly, and I know a lot of you are looking at this makeup thinking it's full glam. This is soft glam for me, okay? Emphasize impact versus effort. Just put a little effort into doing your makeup, even if you have 3 hours of sleep. When my kids were newborn, I always made time to do a little bit of makeup. Now, I'm always in the car. I'm a passenger. I'm a certified passenger princess. So I have my makeup bag that I will bring with me in the car. I even carry a mini makeup bag with an LED light in the diaper bag. It's real small. If you watched my last video, you saw that I mentioned this in my current favorites. But I love this makeup bag because I can put it in any purse, any diaper bag, and it even comes with an LED mirror that you could take out. And that's what I do. I do my makeup in the car a lot. And yeah, you would think that I didn't do my makeup in the car with how good my makeup turns out, but that's what's the importance of doing, perfecting your 15-20 minute mommy makeup. My next tips kind of piggyback off my last one. This is my low maintenance beauty hacks. Now, believe it or not, I do my own nails at home. I do my own lashes. I do my own hair most of the time. I do my own pedicure. Now, first of all, not only does this save my husband a lot of money, I enjoy doing it. I prefer doing it myself. I'm very picky with my hair, how my nails look, and I just don't want to pay $150 for someone to do my nails and I end up hating them. That has happened to me so many times, but also I just don't have the time. These save me time when I don't have time. First, I want to touch on lash clusters. When I first started doing lash clusters, I even had a learning curve because I'm not used to doing lash clusters. I'm used to doing strip lashes on clients. So I had to practice, and I have perfected lash clusters. I found my favorite lashes on Amazon. You can get them on Shein for really cheap. I wake up and I look put together already because of my lash clusters. Even with my 5-minute makeup routine with the lash clusters, I look very put together. Now for press-on nails, I have a lot of tutorials on how I do my press-on nails on my channel. I think I probably have like 3 or 4 at this point, but I recently just did my nails. I'm using the BT Art Box Bear collection. Super pretty, classy, simple. It took me, I think, 30 minutes. Now you're probably thinking, girl, when do you got time to do all this? I do it either when the kids go to sleep. My kids go to bed pretty early. My youngest goes to bed around 7:38, and my oldest will go to bed around 9 or 9:30. So I go to bed late, okay? I've always been like that even before kids. I usually go to bed around 11. And that is my time. Every 2 weeks, I will do my lashes, my nails, my at-home blowout, overnight curls. But yeah, getting into my nails, I usually just buy very simple press-ons unless I'm going on vacation. I like to keep things very simple, and it just makes you look polished. I don't know about you, but when I got my nails done, you can't tell me nothing. I love having my nails done. Even when I'm going to the gym and I don't have an ounce of makeup on, my hair's in a ponytail, I still feel cute because I got my nails done. I know a lot of you women can agree with that. Now, getting into the overnight curls, overnight blowout phenomenon, I saw so many girls on TikTok doing this. Life-changing. Now, you don't even have to buy the overnight curlers or the overnight rods. You could use a rope tie. If you have a robe laying around somewhere, I saw people using socks. Now, I haven't tried the sock method, but I did start out using my rope tie. It's so comfortable, first of all, to sleep in. You just put the rope tie on your head and wrap your hair around it. And if you have naturally straight or wavy hair, you can wet it a little bit. Make sure your hair's like 90% dry. And when you wake up, you'll have beautiful curls. For me, my hair is naturally curly. If I put water in it, it will revert. So I use either a texturizing spray or a hairspray before I wrap my hair, and then just blow dry it to make sure it stays in that form. And when I wake up in the morning, boom, my hair looks perfect. It looks like I just walked out of the salon. I love overnight rods. It saves me so much time in the morning because I just have to do my makeup, take the overnight rods out, and boom, I look like I put in a lot of effort, but it saves me a lot of time. Now for a non-negotiable, skincare. You could use the most expensive makeup in the world, but it's not gonna look good unless you have good skin. That is the God honest truth. I know a lot of you don't wanna hear that, but as a makeup artist, doing makeup on people that don't take care of their skin, they don't wear their SPF, they don't wash their face, goodness. The kids keep coming in here. The kids keep coming in here. And Atlas wants to be with me so bad. It's my baby. And yeah, so if you hear him crying, he's with his dad. He's fine. He just wants to be in here with me, but I'm almost done. But yeah, skincare basics. Find you a good makeup remover, cleanser, serum, eye cream, moisturizer. That's it. You can find good skincare at Dollar Tree, the drugstore, Sephora, Ulta, the dermatologist's office. You can find good skincare anywhere. There's no excuse. I have seen so many YouTube videos, dermatologist goes to Dollar Tree, and they will tell you every single item at Dollar Tree that is worth it, that will work well with your skin. So there's no excuses. I'll just go through my skincare routine really quick because I mean, I feel like I have pretty good skin. A few days a week, I will wear my red light mask. I know the red light masks are pretty expensive, so you don't have to do this. It's definitely optional, but I've noticed a huge difference using the red light mask versus when I wasn't using it. So I'll do that a few times a week for 10 minutes. Prior to my skincare routine, bare face, no makeup, no skincare. And then when I get in the shower, I use my oil cleanser. I exfoliate a few times a week. When I get out of the shower, I will put on my serum, let it dry. I use a retinol a few times a week. I use the one from The Ordinary, super affordable, works great. And then I'll go in with my eye cream and my moisturizer. Boom, that is it. It doesn't require a lot. Even when you have a little tiny bit of makeup on, if you have nice clear skin. I know ladies, especially after having kids, your hormones are kind of crazy. I just stopped nursing my baby about a month, I would say a month ago now. I nursed them for 15 months, and you know, nursing, pregnancy, postpartum, our skin goes really crazy. I even had acne on my back after I had both of my kids. I get really bad back knee. I don't know why. It clears up after 6 months, but my skin was just going crazy all over. And yeah, so it's really important that you have a good skincare routine. Lastly, let's start some soft life energy habits, ladies. We deserve to romanticize motherhood, romanticize our life. Being a miserable mother, that trend is out. Selfish for taking 15 minutes in the morning to do your makeup, fix your hair. You deserve that. Every woman deserves that, whether you're a mother or not. We deserve to take care of yourself. Have your husband, like mine's doing right now, take care of your kids for a little bit so you can get ready, or do your makeup in the car while the kids are in the car seat. We deserve that. When you are doing your skincare, when you get in the shower, safely light a candle, set the mood, set the vibe. I have a candle in my bathroom and I just love it. I love lighting a candle anywhere in the house, really. I mean, we have kids, so it's kind of, but definitely before I take a shower, I light a candle and it just makes it very moody. Making a cute coffee in the morning is another one. I love making yummy coffees. I'm a coffee girl, a coffee addict, if you will. And I love making my coffees in the morning. Real cute in a cute cup. And keeping spaces tidy-ish. I'm not gonna get into my cleaning schedule, my cleaning routine, how I keep the house clean on top of taking care of the kids, on top of taking care of myself, on top of cleaning the house. Yeah, maybe I'll do another video on how I keep my house clean, my cleaning schedule and all of that. For me personally, if my house is a mess, my mind is a mess. I love having a clean house. My kids help clean. Have them, it's fun for them to help, honestly. So have them clean up too. This next one, personally for me, is very important. I believe you need to find your mom uniform. My mom uniform is a matching set. You can put on a matching set with some accessories. For example, this is my go-to stack. I also have a silver stack, some earrings, a necklace, and a matching set. You look very fashionable. And like you actually put in a lot of effort, but you really didn't even have to pick out an outfit because a matching set just looks polished and you don't have to spend a lot of money. I get my matching sets from mainly Shein, Fashion Nova, Amazon. I see matching sets all the time at Ross. Or you can put matching sets together and have a little monochromatic look, like a red top with red pants or baby blue with dark blue pants, and you will always look put together. It doesn't have to be a very fancy dressy matching set. There's also activewear matching sets that you could put a wrap top around and it looks very put together. I usually wear matching sets, honestly, anytime I'm out with the kids, whether it's running errands, taking them to the indoor playground, really anything. I will wear matching sets all the time and just find whatever flatters your body type. And if you like to dress more casual and just accessorize, you can really find anything on Shein. That's why I love Shein and Fashion Nova too. I really like Fashion Nova's matching sets as well. I'm a very type A person, so I usually have my entire week planned out. So whether that's going to the gym with the kids, going to the indoor playground, or a festival, like we just got back from a festival today, and I'll have all of the kids' outfits planned out for those occasions. And I do the same thing for myself. I'll pick out my outfit for the gym the night before. And then if we're going somewhere with the kids, I'll have my outfit picked out the night before or even at the beginning of the week. And that saves me so much time because I get so stressed out trying to find something to wear. I don't know about y'all, but I definitely do. So yeah, it just saves me time in the morning. You don't have to stress about finding an outfit that'll fit or that'll look nice. Cause you know, sometimes I do like putting together outfits. Like today I'm wearing this little polka dot skirt and this kind of knit top with some accessories. Wear your stack with even activewear and you look very put together. If I'm going somewhere as a family and my husband's with me, I can kind of get away more with dresses. I love wearing dresses. I feel like my style is very feminine, girly. I feel like dresses are easier than picking out an outfit because you just put it on and you look very dressed up. And I know what flatters my body type and I know what doesn't. I'm very familiar with the clothes that I like and I do not like the styles I don't like and do like. So dresses is another thing that will always make you look put together. And you can pair it with, once again, accessories, really cute shoes. I like a good kitten heel as well. I have a lot of comfortable kitten heels. I get my shoes from Shein, Fashion Nova, Amazon. I can find some cute heels at Ross too, or TJ Maxx. So kitten heels are really good. I always find a good kitten heel. I also have really cute sandals that I'll wear if I know I'm gonna be chasing after the kids. I will put on a cute sandal. I have these sandals that I wear all the time. They're like a Hermes Oron sandal look-alike from Shein, and I have them in black, brown, tan. I always have a cute sandal. That is it from me. Thank you ladies for hanging out with me. Please remember, even if you're not able to take care of yourself or you don't have time to take care of yourself or you're going through a lot right now, no matter what, at the end of the day, you are an incredible mother. You're a great mother. Your children are so lucky to have you. I don't know why it makes me emotional saying that. I feel like sometimes we just need to hear that. Anyways, girl. My point is, you don't need a lot of money to feel put together. You just need to find systems that work for you and work for your schedule. Thank you ladies so much for hanging out with me. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Make sure to like, make sure to subscribe for more. I think my next video is going to be a Dollar Tree makeup, beauty, skincare, home decor, like what at Dollar Tree can elevate your life, that type of video. I'm still kind of putting together ideas on how I want to film it, but you ladies let me know what you want to see next. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next time. Bye.